First, install this Wi-Fi mode and then install the batteries. Okay, after install the batteries, you need to register enemy. How to register the enemy? Light up, stop and dash, and the password of enemy. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now after you install the enemy, you need to connect the lock to the Tuya Smart app. First, there's a reset button. Press it. And now open and find the security Wi-Fi lock and input the Wi-Fi. And now next, if you search the lock, if the light off, you can press again. Okay, it will search an ending device. Now that device ended. So how to unlock the door lock? Okay, look. First, light up and press 9 and dash. Look in here. It will confirm. Okay, now unlocked.